Welcome to São Paulo, Brazil, a city that never sleeps, full of energy, culture, football, and unforgettable beauty, from lush green parks to architectural marvels. Our journey begins at the beating green heart of São Paulo, Ibirapuera Park. Spanning over 158 hectares, it's not just a park, it's a living piece of Brazilian culture and innovation. Designed by the legendary architect Oscar Niemeyer and landscape artist Burle Marx, Ibirapuera blends modernist architecture with natural beauty. It's home to museums like the Museum of Modern Art and the Afro-Brazil Museum, making it a sanctuary for art lovers. Families, artists, and athletes all find their rhythm here, from yoga at sunrise to capoeira by sunset. Whether you're sketching the skyline or skating around the lake, this place captures the true spirit of São Paulo: energetic, inclusive, and alive. Next, we step into a space where history lives, Ipiranga Park, officially known as Parque da Independência. This is where Emperor Dom Pedro I declared Brazil's independence from Portugal on September 7, 1822. The park surrounds the Gran Museu do Ipiranga, a neoclassical masterpiece recently restored. It houses priceless artifacts, paintings, and historical documents, telling the story of a nation's birth. With its landscape gardens inspired by Versailles, it's both a place of beauty and national pride. A peaceful afternoon here feels like stepping back into Brazil's most pivotal moment. Rising 72 meters into the sky, the Obelisk of São Paulo stands not just as a monument, but a memorial. It honors those who died in the Constitutionalist Revolution of 1932, a civil movement that sought to restore democracy in Brazil. Located at the edge of Ibirapuera Park, the obelisk also serves as a mausoleum, with the remains of students and revolutionaries laid to rest within. It's a powerful reminder of sacrifice, courage, and the fight for justice. From solemn silence to roaring cheers, welcome to Morumbi Stadium, one of Brazil's largest football arenas. Home to São Paulo Futebol Clube, this stadium holds more than 66,000 fans when it's game time. Opened in 1960, Morumbi has hosted everything from Copa Libertadores matches to global music concerts. It's where you feel the heartbeat of Brazilian football, raw, loud, and full of passion. Whether you're a lifelong fan or new to the game, a visit here connects you to something deeper: Brazil's undying love for the beautiful game. While Morumbi may take the spotlight, there's another football ground that holds deep roots in São Paulo's sporting soul, Canindé Stadium, officially named Estádio Oswaldo Teixeira Duarte. Built in 1956, this stadium is the home of Associação Portuguesa de Desportos, lovingly known as Portuguesa. The team carries the legacy of the city's Portuguese immigrant community, a proud and passionate fan base. Though more humble in scale, the atmosphere here is electric. On game days, drums echo in the air, chants fill the stands, and every goal feels like a celebration of identity and tradition. Crossing the Pinheiros River like a sculpture of steel and light, the Octavio Frias de Oliveira Bridge, or simply Estaiada Bridge, is São Paulo's engineering marvel. Opened in 2008, this cable-stayed bridge is unique. Its X-shaped supporting tower rises 138 meters high and supports two curved roads that cross at different heights. No other bridge in the world has this design. At night, it glows with LED lights, changing colors during holidays and major events. It's not just infrastructure, it's a symbol of São Paulo's innovation and modern spirit, and a favorite spot for photographers capturing the city's pulse. And now we rise above it all to witness the breathtaking cityscape of São Paulo. One of the largest cities in the world, home to over 22 million in its metropolitan area, this city stretches as far as the eye can see. São Paulo is a mosaic of cultures, Italian, Portuguese, Japanese, African, Arab, and more, all reflected in its architecture, cuisine, and people. It's where colonial churches sit next to glass skyscrapers, and graffiti is celebrated as public art. Whether it's your first visit or your 50th, São Paulo always has a new story to tell, one you'll remember forever. From green parks and historic monuments to football fever and futuristic bridges, São Paulo offers something unforgettable at every turn. This was your journey through São Paulo with ILoveMoments. If you felt the rhythm of the city, give this video a like, share the love, and subscribe for more cinematic travel adventures around the world. Until next time, keep chasing the moments that move you.